Looking to upgrade your mechanical keyboard setup? Today we're checking out the MBKSTCGDC Type-C mechanical keyboard coiled cable, and it's all about marrying style with solid functionality. At its core, this is a replacement cable designed to connect your mechanical keyboard to your desktop computer, laptop, or other device. Its primary purpose is to replace the often boring, straight cable that came with your keyboard, adding both aesthetic flair and practical cable management to your desk. The standout features are immediately obvious. First, you have that distinctive coiled section. It provides a retro, high-end look while offering useful slack management, keeping your desk tidy. The cable is terminated with a USB Type-C connector for your keyboard and a standard USB-A for your computer. The star of the show is the aviator connector in the middle, typically a GX16 style. This isn't just for looks, it allows for easy swapping of different cable segments or quick disconnection without reaching behind your PC. The build feels substantial, with a thick, braided nylon sleeve that resists tangling and seems durable. In real-world use, it performs exactly as advertised. Plugging it in is straightforward, and it's universally compatible with any keyboard using a Type-C port. The coil has a good weight and spring to it, preventing it from sliding around. The aviator connector adds a satisfying tactile element to your setup. For the pros, the aesthetic upgrade is significant, transforming a workstation's look. The build quality is robust, and the aviator connector adds modularity. The coil effectively reduces cable clutter. On the cons, the stiffness of the new cable and coil can take some time to relax into your desired position. Also, the aviator connector, while cool, is an extra point of potential failure compared to a single solid cable, though it feels well made here. Compared to the basic cable in your keyboard's box, this is a night and day difference in style and desk presence. Compared to other custom cables, this sits in an affordable, ready-to-ship category. A practical tip: ensure your keyboard's USB-C port is recessed or has enough clearance, as some chunky connectors can have fit issues with tight cases. Overall, if you're deep into the mechanical keyboard hobby or just want to add a splash of personality and order to your desk, the MBKSTCGDC coiled cable is a fantastic functional accessory. It does its job well and looks great doing it. Thanks for watching. Let me know your favorite desk setup accessory in the comments below.